looking at $35 worth of parts right here. These babies, $10 a piece. And it did not include these. I had to rescue these from the old ones. And the screws were $1 a piece probably. So yeah, this goes in and expands here and stays in the hole in the frame, supposedly. So I guess the official term is tube expansion anchor. Huh. Came from China, just for Polaris. So yeah, Polaris included everything but with these. This goes in the hole and screws into that. It expands and supposedly stays put until you stand on it. We gotta get that out of there and reuse that part. What a pain in the rear. This one's a little more stubborn. Got it. Oh, got these expandable inserts out. Got these all ready to go. So gotta get these out of here. Get started. So there's a little groove inside here. Matches up with that. Let's get it all tight. Let's get it finger tight. Let's be in that groove. That one's not in. That one. Well, either all in inside, just gotta put the wrench on, tighten them up. Let's see if that works.